Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You need to act now. Open Viber and go straight to Settings, Account Backup. Make sure your phone is on Wi-Fi and charging so the transfer won't stop. Choose the cloud account, Google Drive for Android, iCloud for iPhone, and grant permissions when prompted. Once done, tap Backup Now to capture current messages and media. This initial manual backup creates the baseline snapshot you'll restore from later, so make sure progress reaches 100% before moving on. Once the baseline exists, refine what gets backed up. Go into Backup Options and toggle Include Videos or Large Files to reduce size. Set automatic backup frequency to daily or weekly depending on how often you message, daily for heavy use, weekly for moderate. Make sure your cloud account has enough free space, otherwise incremental backups will fail. You should also confirm the last backup timestamp and file size after automatic runs, so you know new messages are being appended and nothing. To complete a restore, install Viber on the target device, verify your phone number, and accept the prompt to restore from your cloud backup. The app will download messages and media. If restore fails, first make sure you're signed into the same cloud account and that Viber has cloud permissions. Reconnect the account if needed. Also check available cloud storage and stable Wi-Fi. As a fallback, export critical chats manually before wiping a device, so you have a local copy if cloud restore won't cooperate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.